Guys, so right now I'm just driving on the street, and then I saw these guys, just a bunch of bikers together. I never see this before. It's pretty cool, but they're just riding on the street, and I have to go 15 miles per hour, just slowly following them. Alright, I have to take a turn now. That's good.
Crocs and socks, a lifestyle that I'm really rocking. Body whatever, nobody blocking this Mortal Kombat. I'm not a Brombo that makes wannabe black songs. Got a real love for the craft, influence of black gods. I know somebody's gotta say it at some point. See me in person, let's talk and you get the same story. Look, it's all genuine, all authentic. Set intention every morning, so I'm all on center.
Why is this always happening? Oh my god, why is this always happening? So yeah, obviously see it's raining outside. It didn't feel like it's raining in the morning, but it is raining outside right now. So today I want to make a video about going test drive. Why is this not heating up? I just realized. I want to make a video about test driving the Model Y and Model 3 Performance. I've been there before. I test drive Model 3 Performance before. I'm gonna drive it for fun again. So I made a reservation, and I drive test drive Tesla 3 times. First time, it's on fire. Second time, it's raining like this. And today's third time. And yeah, it's strange. Every time I test drive, something happens. But I'm in my own Model 3 right now, and just chilling. So I'm currently at Tesla Newport Beach, and this is the new Model 3 2021 refurb. This is how it looks like right now. It's pretty much just like mine, actually. Okay, yeah, it changes like this. Actually, this one I like it. It's cool. There's nothing here right now. This is, I assume this is Standard Range Plus. I'm entirely sure.
I am a tired ex-teenager, fired up dream maker, aging faster these days. Yeah, I got more. Oh, my mom just snapped me. Chill, mom. Let me see what she said.
So yeah, this is Performance Model Y. So apparently, just like my Model 3, there's not really that much different. I feel like I'm sitting higher, but it kind of feels the same again. Feels a little bigger. I'm not entirely sure if that was just me or whatever. Adjust the seats. Yeah, this is a performance model. I guess it's 0.3 seconds faster than mine, because this is 0 to 60 3.5. One thing, I didn't really buy the Model Y because it is like the handling, because it's an SUV anyway.
Now your destination is on the right.
Oh yes, there is navigation here. All right. Oh wow. This car, I don't know who drove it previously, but definitely. Oh wow, it feels different. It definitely feels different. It feels high. I feel like a mini SUV. Feel kind of like my old Toyota. Yeah, I don't know. The feeling is strange. It is raining outside right now. Yeah, let's test out. Oh wow, it feels very different but familiar. Feel high though. I'm a little scared. Oh, I don't know. Every time I drive a car, like other people's car, not mine. Let me take a right turn here, cause oh, body roll. That's definitely one thing. Okay, yeah, body roll is definitely one thing. It's pretty obvious, to be honest, but I guess it was alright. Oh wow, there's a lot of police car here. I'm gonna do a kind of high speed, semi-high speed acceleration.
Just a picture of her face. Alright, cool. Let's go. Tired of cartoons, in a jiffy, jiggers up and stab. You sound like jibber jibber jab. I jab and dip and flip the raps. I slit the page of pen and pass. Sips up a leaf with double hands. The blood from tongues is spilling faster. You move 50 just a tippy top like G's they dipping fast. I'm on my P's and dipping last. I brought the stew into my past, so I don't sleep. I snagged the plan. I have to have it by 25. Reality never lied. I put my soul in it each line and let the bodies drop and lie. Ooh.
Right now, just heading back, taking back the keys, and yeah, pretty much that's it for today. To be honest, I did not feel like it's a super big difference between my Model 3. Apparently, it just feels like my Model 3, but a little higher. That's all it just feels like. Speed, I guess there's like 0.3 second difference. There's a little difference, I guess so, but not much. So yeah, this is probably, I'll say, the most boring test drive I've ever done in Tesla. That wasn't even the car trying to drive. Well, S is the car trying to drive, but I guess it worked. Look at my car, my clothes. This is raining so bad I didn't even vlog outside. Right after I got in my Model 3, I realized it is low. It is really low compared to Model Y, which I guess that's no good or bad thing, because that's kind of why I choose Model 3 in the first place, because it's low. So the center of gravity is pushing down, and it has more better handle. To be honest, if you're just driving in slow speed, which probably majority of the time you will be driving on the street, Model Y, the higher off the ground feel definitely feel more interesting, more fun to drive if you're in low speed. But with that being said, if I choose again, probably gonna still choose the Model 3. I love this car. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and I love my Model 3. Just all wet right now. Yeah, every time I wash my car, the next day it just starts raining.
I'm a tired ex-teenager, fired up dream maker, aging faster these days. Yeah, I got more. Oh, my mom just snapped me. Chill, mom. Let me see what she said.